That satisfying pop when you crack your knuckles, it's the sound of gas bubbles collapsing in the synovial fluid inside your joints. Cracking knuckles releases joint pressure, giving a brief sense of relief and satisfaction. Over time, cracking knuckles can become a habit, much like twirling hair or tapping fingers. For some, it's a way to relieve stress or nervous energy, like during a tense situation. While it feels great for some, others find the sound irritating or even cringeworthy. So why do you crack your knuckles? Is it for relief, a habit, or just for fun?